headlines always na corruption. But based on say we dey talk am say as e dey hot, we go dey carry the thing dey come. We no go dey comot eyes on top of all other areas sake of say this country belong to all of us and we go show our interest for everything. The one wey we carry come na very, very bad news, very sad news because of say we believe say we don reach one level when we say somehow we don cross one particular bridge, but e be like say that bridge wey we cross, we still get one property wey still dey on top of the bridge wey we need to go back, go carry. This one get to do with the issue of insecurity for Nigeria and the activities of Boko Haram Jaguda people. And make we break this one down. They talk say for Dikwa local government area inside Borno State, about 80 kilometers from Maiduguri, the state capital, and they talk say 2 women when wear bomb for body just carry waka enter inside internally displaced persons camps or inside that place. Say at the time when they serve breakfast, where people congregate, they collect their morning food, and they enter unnoticed. They can't come out the thing when they say they will hold the bomb for their body, and plenty people come by for the incident. According to the people when we say their own na to carry people, they talk say at the time when the team be enter news, 53 people. Now in they talk say okay, well, they don't confirm say this one so they don't buy, and about 78 people. Now in they talk say they injure when they carry go hospital. This particular incident don't throw up plenty things. We don't see say the activities of Boko Haram Jaguda people, it don't move from say then they hold territories, because even that Dikwa now something where we say they hold before even put their flag until our soldier people pursue them.
They do a very good job, but at least we go need to also do it in strengthen our distance security, tighten them more, so that at least we go fit contain these people more. Because we did very much aware, say just a few days back. Now, a particular district was also attacked, and we know they're too far from the IDP camp. And then they don't get first-hand information somehow. Someone said they won't attack the camp at that time, but at least I don't know how they can eventually succeed in carrying out this attack for the camp. But we go urge our military people, say they don't do well, but at least we go still fit upgrade our security responsibility.
One very important thing where we suppose note now say for Nigeria we no go dey very, very comfortable. Say our brothers and sisters them anywhere for this part of the country they buy. We know say insecurity na one particular issue when we say we dey try deal with inside our obodo Nigeria. Time don't reach for our security people to really sit down and look into all of the areas where we say they go use fit comot this particular problem when we face for our country, comot pata for inside this country. No longer the thing go there about say you dey fight people face to face, you dey shoot people, you dey buy people and everything like that. People don't emphasize on the need for intelligence. Just like you talk, the young lady don't give information now. Say it be like say the ones when go come even plenty pass these ones when they already. What we supposed to do now to try see how we go fit get some additional information, or we go fit consolidate on this information when we don't get. Try as much as we can to fit infiltrate their ranks also. Know what they tell these young girls and these women. For most, if you check them well, you go see say the way when our country dey, it not be just the country, it dey for different parts of the world. But because we say that Nigeria we dey talk about here, it go good make we emphasize. Women and children, they're very, very vulnerable. By vulnerable, they just be like say they're not to get power on their own to fit defend themselves or fit do some kind of things. That's why it be say for all these kind of situations, now them they suffer the thing fast. Yeah. So it go there very, very easy for people when we say they want they whine them. They tell them bad things when they go do. It go there easy for them to do them. And I think say if we don't see say okay, we don't collect territories when we say that they claim say now then get and our soldier people don't dey there and we don't tell our country people make them go back there. We supposed to put certain things in place so that we go start what we call de-radicalization. Because all this teaching when they don't teach these people, that's what we say it don't enter their mind. Come begin they form like say okay, I know be part of Nigeria. They don't need me for this country. Anything when I want to do, I go do them. And if you see the condition where people they live for inside this internally displaced persons camp. Yeah. If you break them down, these internally displaced persons camps, it just be like orphanage homes, because these people are people when we say they run come up for where then they live. All the facilities or amenities when they feel access on their own, they don't feel access them. So the feeding and everything, it just be like say now our greater responsibility to ensure say we show these people say them they love. But if we don't do what we supposed to do, the thing go make them even it go just make plenty who lose hope. And it go there easy for people to fit infiltrate these camps on the white people. Yes. See what in the girl talk, she see her family members. How person when no say in family members they inside internally displaced this camp, go still go there,
yes.
go carry this kind of badness.
Exactly.
Whether it affect your family or it not affect your family, the thing when they be say, if you fit get mind, say you won't go do anything, won't go make people die. It's very, very important. Make we begin to think ahead so that we go fit keep Nigerians safe. And that one will come bring us to the question of say, what will be the value of the human life? Because it does come to and say, many of us go on top of social media, write RIP. May they rest in peace. May God keep their soul. And the next week, it go be like the same thing will happen. Because less than 2 weeks ago, we get the incident wey happen for Dalori. And it just be like say nobody care. Or it just be like say the thing not too concern us because we don't dey used to am. Make we not get to the point for our country where we say, if we hear say this kind of thing happen, all of us go off you say, okay, thank God say it no happen to me or my family members. Make we move on. Now there, the major problem will come start from.
Chukudi, you said something about at least the conditions of these people. They say the way they take live their life for that place. It just like say that, okay, say people will live their own primary places, primary homes. Can't say, okay, we not get choice, but maybe we'll enter where we'll see from this camp, we go accept. But we'll go see into emphasize the fact, say, during the campaigning stuff, this political party ensure say they promise that at least they go ensure say they bring safety for affected people with Boko Haram don't attack somehow, and they also ensure say at least the camp they well equipped. Okay, we're talking about camps being well equipped. We talk about at least welfare. Proper welfare, where you will take at least they go feed well. We go also they talk about shelter. That is ensure say the places where they go lay their head go also do this thing, go they comforting and go they good for them. We could also bring the issue of security back to this same IDP camp. If we try to protect people, say okay, these people, at least we go also need to at least upgrade our system. These children, these girls, we carry out this jaguda, waiting and waiting. Of course, obviously they go don't step out, come out from that camp. You understand? They go don't come up from that camp, come back. At the point of leaving, waiting with the assessment we play out, or the security assessment we play out. And when they come back, check them to know, say, these people who are, will be come out. Most see waiting they carry come. If say, make no be say they carry anything for body, that kind of thing. So these are things we need to also upgrade on so that at least we go know as we go take the ensure, say, the life of these people, they sincerely secured. Rather than to just leave them as if they don't get any hope again. As if they know be Nigerians, as if their life no they valued again. Just allow them, you understand, go through anything where they see. So these are things we need to at least address properly. And I believe our leaders they hear as we talk. So
and it go good make we point out, say, the responsibility to take care of people when they internally displaced persons camps or Nigerians a whole, no be basically about maybe campaign promise or say waiting party put inside their manifesto. Now the responsibility of every responsible government to ensure say every Nigerian feel very, very special inside the country. Now, if we as Nigerians, when they reside for places where we say, we go say they're relatively safe because we go talk say, we know they're under partial state of emergency and we know they sleep with, say, okay, with the close, we know some people know they even sleep at all. Now, what the government supposed to do now say, not be just say, okay, because we promise say we go do them, now to set things in motion. And in truth, if we check, from May 29, 2015, it go be like, say, everything when we talk end for campaign promise. Because if we talk, say, by 29th of this month, we go take 9 months. And we can't check them. It can't be like, say, these people, when we say we suppose they cater to everything. Schools, no day these camps. We don't see pictures of people when we say, you get one picture when we say, na shovel. They use, they pack something way be like jollof rice, but if you don't be like biscuit when they soak inside water, now they pack, now they give people they chop. The kind condition, the kind pictures when they come out from these camps, now one when we say the picture when they paint, they very, very, feel uplift anybody at all. And if you get people when we say their own plan and say, okay, they talk say they want to establish some caliphate of sorts, and they go, they go tell you say. People, when we say you talk, they talk, say they care about you. When if we take care of you, when this kind of thing happen, why not join us? Because these Boko Haram Jaguda people, if they go certain communities,
of course,
they go thief car, they go thief food and everything.
They are destined to be very vulnerable. Basically, just as they talk. Because if they say, my condition for the camp, based on the promises where the government don't promise that they will do it, they don't address them. At least the only option for them will be doing to join a group where go give them everything what they want, as long as they go also meet up with the terms and conditions of that group. Yes, a very good, you just address and the way it ought to be addressed. And then this also brings us to the Chukwudi will also bring the issue of intelligence, what you mentioned. We don't fight. This is no longer a fight of say, okay, see them over there, see us here. Make they fire ourselves. It don't go beyond that one. Okay, we don't feel contain these people, contain them to a particular point. And this time around, it don't come up from say, okay, see their location, we'll go find them there. To say, okay, they don't they integrated into a particular society. Okay, now, trying to figure out where they or probably who and who then they relate with inside the society, that should be the next step. I know, say, our military, I know what lie, then they try. But we need to advance further, bring in the intelligence part of it, and also know who be who. And then at least, make we be like monitoring spirit in this case. Be like monitoring spirit will say, that person is suspicious. Maybe then check the person, and if you say the person they free, find the person they free. And if they're suspicious, if we call they interrogate, they ask questions, and also find out how these things, how these things they take carry out, who are the steps. Because intelligence they lead to gradual unfolding, rather gradual uncovering of where this major source of Boko Haram come from. Because we as we are Nigerians, we not even fit talk, say, see who they're responsible, see who they sponsor. No, but with special intelligence, in deep one, you go see, say, a lot of things can they uncover gradually.
Very true.
We go they uncover, we go feel know as we go take, at least address them properly, the way we suppose address them.
Very true. And it go good make we put out this information, say, from the office of our senior men in the government, especially from the office of the vice president. They don't talk, say, the federal government will do everything when they fit do to use ensure, say, all these people, when we say they make life difficult for Nigerians, they make Nigerians no fit sleep or do what they want to do on their own, say they go make sure, say, they bring them to book. But while we appreciate the fact that the government also they're very, very concerned, even though their primary responsibility, we go like talk, say, make it not just end for statements.
Talk.
Because severally we don't hear statements of say, they will bring people to book. Even the book, we don't know whether
they don't even buy the book.
Whether they even buy the book or whether they go need extra sheet to use to bring the people enter inside the book. The most important thing, like what we don't identify, now say, if we check them, we go see, say, the trend don't change. It don't move from, say, people when they hold territories, they post pictures of them, they drive a motor tanker, they run up and down, they shoot gun for air, say, and then they control this place. To say, many of them don't run enter inside bush, and they send girls and women into these our places where we say people they live, they cause trouble, especially internally displaced persons camps. So it go good maybe say, our government, they meet with our security people, make them ensure, say, even if now to beef up extra security for this internally displaced persons camps and do certain things when we say we go fit they search people more, they watch people more, and they feel ensure say certain people when we say then they go around these camps, they spread some kind of message and they don't go fit, they enter inside the
orientation, even give them see because of say we don't know say okay certain people they very vulnerable. Women them, children them, you understand? It is also our responsibility, the responsibility of the government to say, okay, we don't say these people they're very vulnerable. We don't see their feet talk into their head, make them do it, make them carry out any badness. It is also our responsibility as government to also reorientate them, give them under orientation, change their mindset about that way they think, or rather about that way they don't give pass on to them. We get okay from Calabar. Good morning, okay.
Good morning, Mr. Nkobe. Hello.
Good morning, we hear you right on.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
I agree to Oga, okay.
Yes, how not they?
We're fine.
I started talk to Nana the years because not part of us the commercial. It's not making sense. The Nigerian government, they know they think how to upgrade our security. They know they think they only think about how to use 400 million to buy one car. How to use 400 million to build one house, you know? But that basic thing, that thing will go save life, will go secure life. Our government know they do them. To me, as far as Nigeria is concerned, any politician deserves to serve 2 times. After serving in service, he should also serve in prison. Because these people, now people they die, so don't be foul, don't be chicken. Every blessed day, let them upgrade. I mean,
the salary of our security men, because sometimes why our security men they feel unconcerned. Sometimes you say when they think about their salaries, nothing. You know, they will think about maybe collecting bribe or doing something. By so doing, they won't focus on their job. So I think it's right time for Nigerian government to upgrade in security and also do something about our security men salary. Thank you, and may God continue to bless Nigeria.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't open new chapter for this discussion. Say it go dey very, very good. Make we improve on our security, and like we don't emphasize for here. Say when we talk about security, not be just basically about say we dey buy more guns. Now to improve on our intelligence, see how we fit infiltrate their ranks too, to they get information so that we go dey proactive. That is before they do bad thing, we go don't know about them. Oga Chinedu, they call us all the way from Abuja. Oga Chinedu, welcome to our City Hot.
Good morning, Chinedu. Chinedu, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I better reduce the volume of your television.
Hello, good morning.
Right now, they hear you. Continue.
Good morning, Mr.
Good morning.
You see what I want to tell Nigeria. You see, you don't ever see say they attack governor house 2 times. Or you don't ever see say they attack presidential villa once. Okay, for one governor in this country, for past regime, I hear say each one governor gets 150 policemen where they guide them. Before President Muhammadu Buhari found reduced them to 52. Okay, why not that the displaced person this in camp? Why they no go mount gate for that place and fetch a very intelligent officer put for that gate there? Anybody will go out, then they will notice when that person go, and when he's coming, then they know waiting that person started come inside. Then everybody just balance for their office there for Aso Rock there. Then all the big officers there for their house. Then if those people where they carry food for that place, maybe they fight the Boko Haram. Now then go see the guide these people there. They're supposed to appoint people again, the officers. We go take care of those people for that place so that if anything happens, we hold those people, those officers responsible. Thank you. That's what I have to say.
Okay, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And you start with very important questions. You talk say, we don't hear cases of say they attack where governor they stay or the Aso Villa. And this is very, very important because not be until you get to one particular position, if something happen to you, people go begin to take it serious. Exactly. Everybody they important for Nigeria. We must ensure say, even those when they internally displaced persons camps, we guard them like saying a governor with the guard. Oga Igo, they call us all the way from Abuja. Oga Igo, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Oga Shukudi, I greet you. Good morning.
I greet you, Oga Igo.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
The IDP camp, I believe they are less privileged people that are there. That's why this thing is happening. If you want to win the war, if you go to some IDP, have you been to the IDP camp? I would like make a sponsor Gakubi to go to that place, make it see the situation on ground. You see IDP camps, just like some of tent, you put more than how many million people, 1,000 people there. You know, their heads, you know, they check the nothing, you draw the hair. The military, they don't pay for information. If you keep them there, one, you're supposed to fence the place round. You fence the place round. If you fence them round, anybody that is going out, anybody they go out, they come in. You check them one by one. If among them, if strange place there, they must know strange place there. And if anybody they go, they come back. You're supposed to put something like dictator. Other people can get for their house. Dictators in front of the place as they come. If you carry anything explosive, the dictator must indicate. He's there for Villa. He's there for all those governors' house. Why you not be put up for those places when you say
why you don't see what protect life?
That's true. You get the way you go keep you as a military man. There's the way you keep even your enemy for to come attack those places where you go high. You don't see me even a African country here where like South Africa. If you see their peacekeeping soldiers, where they kids. If you see them, you see that you see where they kids. You enemy for you to attack them go hard. You see our soldiers somebody they put for IDP camp will say, you know, helmet, no fragment jacket. The body are bulletproof. Go stand there to the check bomb. He kind of gauge to check bomb so that he carry this thing. Let's check all those things. Let's stop passing wrong information to the people because we not get live updates. If you go to CNN, we get live updates of things where they happen for inside all those places. For inside Nigeria, no station, nobody, no journalist. They give live updates. Now the news they don't update. Somebody go come because tell us among the lions. They say in a live one. Contact for
Oga, thank you very much for this your important contribution. I understand the way when we say the thing they do you for our body. And you self don't identify some key areas when we say we suppose ensure about communication and ensuring say the soldier man when they internally displaced person camp, he not just there for decoration. Exactly. He there to do something. And we must ensure say based on saying go there to lay down his own life to protect people, we must ensure say we give him everything when he go need. We get an Ifiok. An Ifiok they call us all the way from Eket. If let's say the network no agree make an Ifiok making contribution.
Abeg, we go order make na try they call us and Ifiok abeg try call us again. On this note, make we do it, make we quickly go for this break. When we come back, we will continue with our story. We'll go, we come.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.